Plenty at stake today. Welcome to this Pro Club's Seasons League match. Promotion is within touching distance for them now. They know they could clinch it today. Let's cross to the King Fahd International Stadium. Floodlights shining down on what is a lovely, calm evening. Here's your commentary team, Martin Tyler and Alan Smith.
Well, we're very late in the season now with the 7 games played, but they keep going like this. A division title, a championship of this particular division is on.
Most certainly, they look to me to be one of the best teams in this division. They've just got to prove it now in the next 3 games.
Well, that's a real tussle for the ball there. Hodges. He's looked to change the point of this attack. They've got the ball back through a very good interception. It's good vision to be able to switch the play there. Well, that's widened the game here, and they've got it to the wide man well. It was a good interception in his own defensive zone, and that little deflection has sent the ball over the touchline. Henry. Fowler. Rocchieri. This could be it. Well, he has a go. What a goal! As far as promotion is concerned, a must-win game. They are now winning.
Well, what a time to score that is. They've been good value for this lead, I have to say that, but at any time, as we know in football, things can turn around on the head.
It's a terrific start to the game. We've got an early goal here. That could open up the play straight away. So after the goal, we've opened the scoring here, 1-0. Ramsey. Romano. Gone out to the wingman. Interception made, but with any great difficulty. Hodges. Fowler. That's a nice pass, a headed pass to a teammate. Kidd. It's back, it's their ball again, through good intercepting play. Henry. Piccolo. Good movement to get to it. Ingham. He's gone in strongly and got the ball. Romano. Well blocked. Good challenge. Beck. There's some potential in this move. And it's Ibrahimovic. And that will be a throw. Romano. Crosses in. Cross that had to be dealt with. Henry. Here's the cross. The defender's done well to deal with that cross. Henry. Ramsey. That will help ease the pressure. It's gone out for a throw-in. Henry. Goodness, they needed him then to clear that. Piccolo. Henry. Now the corner to put the team that's leading under some pressure. We want to see that goal again, don't we? Brilliant opening, here's the chance. In the end, it's nowhere near the target. Ramsey, and the referee's letting it go. Showing it's a physical game when it's a fair one too, and that's a great challenge. Romano. A decent effort, just off target.
Yeah, unlucky because he got some power behind the ball, just not the direction.
Well, he was writing his own headlines in his own mind, I think, when he let fly.
Yeah, I mean, I think the fans are giving him some stick, but, you know, he has scored from those distances.
Referee has chosen to add on 4 minutes. Fowler. Tries his luck. Oh, look at the disappointment. That would have levelled it up.
Well, that's a big moment in this game, perhaps, and look at the striker's body language. He knows he's squandered that opportunity.
Romano. Henry. That back heel not quite working out. And that's half-time. Signalled by the referee. 1-0 the half-time score. They have been representing, really, all the minnows in the game. They've put so much effort into this first half.
Yeah, they have, and when the chances have come, they've shown good composure to take them. The hard thing, I think, now is carrying it through in the second half.
They kick off at the start of the second half. That's where you want to try and get control in midfield, and they've got the ball. Ingham. That passing is top class. That's across the field to try and switch the play. And now they've got a corner on the attack again, the team that's leading by 1 goal. You can see that offence again here.
The ref had a good angle, good view of it as well.
Oh, in goes the cross. Now that's a throw. Hodges. Fowler. Romano. And here's the cross. Good clearing header. Cross coming in now. That's a real tussle for the ball. Ramos. Very good passes. This team are passing the ball beautifully. Kidd. Beck. Fowler. Makes a challenge here. That's a great clearance. Interception there was key, really, to the side that's having to defend at the moment. Fowler. Beck. And that ball belongs to the goalkeeper. Ramsey. There we've got the possession stats so far for you coming up on the screen.
Well, nothing to split the two sides. So when you're looking for somebody to pick out a hole, create the pass, create the goal.
To get it away. It's Ibrahimovic again. Beck. Excellent positioning, and the interception is made. Did well, stuck out a foot and cut off the pass. It's good that the referee can pull the play back without infringing the laws here. Left it as long as he could, no advantage. Romano. Well, the crowd willing them to stay firm here and preserve this position, which does mean promotion, and a promotion early in the season too. A fantastic effort. The win will guarantee that, but it's very slender, the margin.
It is slender, but they're playing the way that they have for most of the year, in a confident style, and really do look like they're going to get home.
The tackle there is successfully done. And that will just bobble on through to the goalkeeper. talking about the end of the game, which will be pretty soon. Real opportunity.
Just when you need a cool, composed head. Couldn't provide it. I think he had a lack of concentration. That was his undoing there.
Hodges. And the defender saw the pass and dealt with it with a good interception. Well, it's nip and tuck here, Alan, isn't it? They've got the lead, the fans are backing them to the hilt, the other team are coming right at them.
Well, it'd be a fantastic result this, you know, because they have played extremely well.
The goalkeeper is there for him, and he's played it to him. Piccolo. Ramsey. Sometimes it's great when you play with no pressure, no expectation. That's the way it's been for the side unfancied here. They still lead. Yeah,
I mean, a bit of both. The underdogs have played really well, but the fancied side haven't done themselves justice at all so far.
That's very well read, and that's a very good interception. Well, the referee has blown his whistle, and the game has ended 1-0.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm sure you'll agree it's been a cracking game of football. Now
what an atmosphere in the stadium after the game, because the promotion properly celebrated here, and still a chance of winning the title, of course, but for the moment, the main line, the bottom line for them is that they are out now of Division 3 and up to Division 2 for next season.
Yeah, but knowing this manager, Martin, I'm sure beforehand he would have been emphasising the fact that they need to keep on pushing and they need to try and finish at the top of this division, because I think they are the best side here.
So they are up. Promotion clinched. What an achievement. And the title is still on the horizon. I'll leave you with full match highlights. And until next time, I'm Jeff Stelling.